guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to get back your email account if you will forget your password. For example, here you enter your password but it didn't correct. Go to the forget password, click on that, and then you have five choices. First you have type yes on your phone or tablet. This is exactly that you have number, so I click on phone number. Click on the phone number. Okay, no need to click on the first one, just click on the fourth one, and it will send you a code, and then you wait for a few minutes, a few seconds, and then it sends you a code. You insert the code and then go to the update password. This one you can insert putting a new password. So now I'm creating a new password. Sorry for this blur because I don't want you to see my my new password. So enter the password now and save password, and then now you can update in your laptop. Go to continue to YouTube, and now you can have back your YouTube channel or Google account. As you can see here, you get back your channel, your email account, your account, Google and Google Play Store. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos.